Southeast Alaska is a great place for photography, and on a camera walk today, with people of all ages, you know, kids and parents and grandparents. The start of the day was probably a camera phone, and we're starting off shooting the stuff you expect. We're shooting boats and kayaks and trees and the greenery, but still the start of the day was probably banana slugs.
On our photo walk, we quickly found a perfect subject for time-lapse photography, the banana slug. Colors gray, white, leopard. I think they are intriguing microcosm of an old-growth forest.
Most of the Tongass, we have what we like to call ripe banana slugs because they're kind of like brown and mottled. Here in Sitkoh Bay, we have an unreasonable amount of what we like to call the ghost morph. So they're white.
And it was a fun photo walk shooting little things like banana slugs and bright green leaves, and there's just an endless variety of photo opportunities in Southeast Alaska.